Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you?
How's it going?
How's it going?
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today?
What's up?
What's up?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
I missed you.
I missed you.
Glad to see you again.
Glad to see you again.
Hello, buddy.
Hello, buddy.
Hi, best friend.
Hi, best friend.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Hello, students.
Hello, students.
How are you today, teacher?
How are you today, teacher?
Let's start the day.
Let's start the day.
I'm ready to learn.
I'm ready to learn.
May I come in?
May I come in?
Have a nice day, teacher.
Have a nice day, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
See you tomorrow, teacher.
See you tomorrow, teacher.
It's nice to see you.
It's nice to see you.
You look happy today.
You look happy today.
I hope you're doing well.
I hope you are doing well.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Wishing you a fun day.
Wishing you a fun day.
Good to see you, friend.
Good to see you, friend.
Welcome, my friend.
Welcome, my friend.
Hope you're having fun.
Hope you're having fun.
Hi, buddy, let's play.
Hi, buddy. Let's play.
What's new with you?
What's new with you?
Hi, let's be friends.
Hi, let's be friends.
Hello, how was your day?
Hello, how was your day?
Hi, what's your favorite game?
Hi, what's your favorite game?
Hi, what's your favorite color?
Hi, what's your favorite color?
Hello, let's have fun together.
Hello, let's have fun together.
Do you want to play with me?
Do you want to play with me?
Are you new here?
Are you new here?
I like your smile.
I like your smile.
This is for you.
This is for you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Let's have fun together.
Let's have fun together.
Hello, I'm Ruby.
Hello, I'm Ruby.
I'm 5 years old.
I'm 5 years old. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.